we're gonna start with our brownie recipe. You need some dates, maple syrup, some monk fruit or a preferred sweetener of some sort, and the pulp from your juicer. You can do beet and carrot, or you can just do one or the other. It's totally up to you depending on what kind of nutrition you're trying to add, and the nuts is optional. So to your food processor, you're going to add your dates. Now these dates are not as sweet as the popular Medjool brand, but you want to blend those first until you get a nice smooth paste. So once you've pureed your dates, you want to go ahead and add your nuts. Of course, this is completely optional. And to that, go ahead and add a cup of your pulp mixture or one or the other. Now, following that, you want to go ahead and dump your chocolate, either your cacao or you can do carob powder. It's totally up to you. Then you're going to add your maple syrup. And to that, you'll add your monk fruit sweetener or a sweetener of your choice. So you want to blend everything together to make sure that those ingredients are now incorporated. And then to that, you're going to add a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Blend that. This is going to allow it to solidify when you put it in the freezer. Then you're going to take the mixture and you're going to pour it into a loaf pan or a pan of your choice, depending on the size you want your brownies to be. Those are little carob nibs that I put on top. I froze it for about a couple hours, and it comes out in beautiful little blocks like this. You just want to cut it to your preferred size, and on top I'll put some of my raw Nutella, and I'll put the link to the video for that in the description box below. So guys, if you love your brownies fudgy, then follow the recipe as is in the description box below. But if you like a brownie that's a little bit more sweeter and milk chocolatey, go ahead and add a little bit more of the sweetener. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.